What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about AB 1771, Assembly Bill 1771. It's a California law that was written that's going to be voted on this year that is trying to put a 25% tax on real estate flippers and speculators. The goal of this is to disincentivize investors from buying homes in the market and driving up prices. The person who wrote this bill thinks that investors are the ones that are driving up the prices in the California real estate market, which is not true at all. I think this bill actually does the opposite of what they're trying to do, and it hurts inventory at the end of the day. Me as an investor, I only buy distressed properties, which most of them will not qualify for conventional or FHA financing. So regular buyers do not even buy 90% of the homes that we buy. So at the end of the day, we are creating inventory. We're taking distressed homes off the market that would be sitting there otherwise and renovating them and then selling them to regular home buyers. Yes, of course, they're paying a premium, but it's because the home is fully remodeled and has all the upgrades that a regular buyer would want. So this 25% tax would be on all homes bought and sold within a 3-year period, and it actually extends out to 7 years. So after 3 years, the 25% drops down to 20%, and so on up to 7 years. So this really affects regular homeowners too that buy and sell properties within that 7-year period. So this is really going to hurt inventory. People that are homeowners that are thinking about selling are going to think twice about selling now because of this new tax that came into play. If they bought their home 3 years ago and they want to sell today and capture their equity, they're probably not going to do so because they're going to be thinking about this 25% tax on top of any other capital gains and other taxes they're going to have to be paying. Yeah, so normal home buyers do not buy the homes that we buy. It's just a fact. They do not want to buy a distressed home, fix it up, spend hundreds of thousands of dollars in the remodel costs, and live in it after that. It just does not happen. And they also cannot get funding for that. Like I said, conventional financing does not qualify for the homes that we buy. 95% of the homes that we buy are distressed. The roofs need to be repaired, plumbing is in disrepair, and so on. So we are taking the distressed homes off the market and selling those to regular home buyers. At the end of the day, I think this bill actually hurts mom and pop investors like me and benefits the large hedge funds that have billions of dollars that can sit on a property for 7 years and it doesn't matter. You know, they can wait out that time period where that tax is going to affect them and sell the property after 7 years. It really hurts small investors like me who don't have billions of dollars to invest in real estate, that are buying properties, you know, 1 or 2 at a time and selling them. So it really hurts the mom and pop investor more than anyone else in this whole scenario. So people have asked me about this bill and if I would continue flipping in California. And I've thought a little bit about it, and yes, I would be looking at opportunities in other states, but at the end of the day, I think there's still a huge opportunity in California. I would continue buying and flipping in California when probably 95% of the other investors that flip in California will not. So really that creates an opportunity for me to go after these distressed homes that I normally buy and have less competition and probably get better deals on those homes, which in turn will pay that 25% tax for myself. So it will not hinder me. I will still continue buying and flipping properties in California. Of course, I would look at other investment avenues, whether it be new construction, multifamily, and maybe flipping out of state as well. But in the short term, it is not going to affect me flipping houses in California. So this is just the perfect example of a politician writing law about topics that they don't understand. I think it's happening everywhere. At the end of the day, they're trying to disincentivize investors from buying homes, and they think that will create more inventory in the market. At the end of the day, I don't think investors are the ones paying $100,000 over asking on a house that's on the open market. That's not us. That is the regular home buyer that are actually driving these prices up, and creating this demand at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, I don't think this bill accomplishes what they meant to, and it actually hurts inventory in California and will not help any with the housing supply. Guys, this is just my opinion on my business flipping in California. I'm open to your guys' input. Please put some comments in the comments section and we can have a discussion about it. All right, guys, thank you.